In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subscribe to Microsoft Copilot Pro using an easy and straightforward process. The goal is to make this as seamless as possible, so whether you're a seasoned tech user or just getting started, you'll find these steps simple to follow. First things first, we need to open your preferred web browser. I recommend using a popular one for reliability, such as Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox, unless you already have a favorite. Once your browser is up and running, head over to Google by typing in www.google.com in the address bar. This is where we will start our journey to subscribing to Microsoft Copilot Pro. Once you're on the Google homepage, you'll need to search for Microsoft. Simply type Microsoft into the search bar and press Enter. Doing so will bring up a list of links and websites related to Microsoft. What we're looking for is the official Microsoft website, so go ahead and click on the link that leads you directly there. This is to ensure you're on the right path without any detours that could lead to unnecessary complications. When you have successfully landed on the Microsoft website, your next step is to look for a section that reads, Discover Microsoft 365 Premium. Navigate your cursor over this link and give it a click. This is an important step because Microsoft 365 Premium is the suite that includes Copilot Pro, providing you with advanced tools and features to enhance your productivity. After arriving at the Microsoft 365 Premium page, it's time to move towards making the purchase. Locate the Buy and Download option. Clicking on this option will set things into motion for purchasing the subscription. As you go through this, make sure to review any product details or offers that may be applicable. It's always good to be informed of any deals that might give you more value for your money. Next, you'll be directed to your shopping cart on the Microsoft Store. In your cart, review the contents to make sure everything is in order. Once you're satisfied with everything, look for the Checkout button. Clicking this will initiate the checkout process. As you might expect, you'll need to provide your payment information, so ensure you have your credit card or preferred payment method on hand. Be sure to double-check all the details you input to prevent any errors that might cause delays in your subscription. Follow any further prompts, confirm your purchase, and once complete, you'll have successfully subscribed to Microsoft Copilot Pro. And that's it. Enjoy the enhanced capabilities and features that come with your new subscription. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide eased you through the process.